Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. KDevelop package is available on Ubuntu-based repositories, so you can install it directly by running the following command. After the installation, you can search on the system search bar or by icon. You need to find the KDevelop. If the KDevelop don't launch the pickup session, and after that, it will be launched as workshop. That's it. If you have any question, please leave me comments.